Alright, good afternoon. It's Sunday, May 5th. We're just moving some cows out in this little area right now so I can come in and bed this with straw. Come on, cow, let's go. They know right where to go, which always makes things helpful and speeds the process up. There's only 3 cows plus a calf in here. The rest of the cows we just put out to pasture a few weeks ago. That's secure. So now I'm gonna go up and get my skid loader. Make sure they're all out here first. All out of here first. Okay, and we'll be back. So these things are going to be needing new springs here shortly, but I think they're all right. Putting fuel on the skid loader. It's one of these machines where you just gotta kind of trickle it in, or else it won't take it if you go wide open with it. It's got a bend in the fuel fill or something. That's why it won't let it take it real fast like you normally think it should. Darn fuel gauge moves real slow on this thing. What's it? It's about a quarter of a tank, half. Unless that's all more fuel I put in it, but that's okay. At least it's not on empty. we got some bales here to get clean, moved off to the side, but that's okay. Figure we'll make easy work of a easy situation if you want to look at it that way. Yeah, I don't see more bales in here. Oh yeah, there's a few there, but I can just, once I get down to the end, I'll windrow it all into a windrow, and then I got bale there. That's still good, so we'll just throw that there. Leave this here. Bale there's no good. Not exactly the neatest one, but my thing is if I keep the full side of the bucket right down the middle, by the time I get to the end, it'll have already filled the bucket up. So let's see what happens. So that's good enough. We'll go dump this and put the loader away. I don't know how anybody could do what I done with a tractor and loader or anything of that matter. Skid loader is the most versatile thing on the farm we own.